Alright, let's take a look at the Barrel Cooper's puzzle box. This is from Puzzle Master. Best place to get puzzles, honestly. It's fantastic. Alright, got a warning. Document reveals the solution to the puzzle. Let's throw that away. Alright, let's take a look at this puzzle. Okay, so this is, it's made out of plastic. You can see that it's like 3D printed. So that's cool. That means we can have some very intricate pieces, and we need to be careful so we don't break anything. I wonder if this is part of the solution, or if it's just a stand to hold it on. It could be either. On an initial look through, I see this as a definite... Oh, I just saw it turn. So that's definitely something we need to turn. I imagine this key probably turns that. Oh, this pulls apart and turns. That's nice to see. So we can pull that out and turn it. Oh, notice this. Like the two places where it stops, one seems to have just the one lines. This one has more lines. See? Oh, and on the back it has multiple lines there, so I think that's telling us something. Okay. Oh, this piece turns. I wonder what that means. Oh. Okay, that's definitely something. That's like a separate piece. I'm not gonna... You're not supposed to use excessive force with these, but it seems like the ends of the barrel kind of are disconnected from these and can probably pop off somehow. I bet that's what that key does. Interesting, okay. Alright, so I need to get this out. I think that's become clear. I need to get at that key. So, doesn't seem like that's doing anything. Does the top do the same? No, it does not. It doesn't pull out or turn. Not helpful. Alright. So if this is stuck in here, there's a lot of moving stuff on the inside of this. I'm not going to be able to tell. There's a couple of things that we can do if it's, like, oh, I'm going to try this. Seems silly. But if there's a pin in there that sort of spins outward, that's not working. I wonder if I can use that to help with that. Ooh. Okay, that actually held it steady for me to do that. That would make sense, but it doesn't. Okay. Could be gravity, like if there's some kind of, like, it doesn't twist, so there's something holding it in place. It could be like some kind of gravity fed pin. So if it's not centrifugal force and it's not gravity, then it's probably a magnet. That's the last one I like to do with these, because I don't want to break these puzzles. Alright, so if there's a pin going up and down, then we would... Oh, that was it. Well, that was lucky. Okay, so there's a pin in there. You can see it. And the way we released it was hitting it straight up and down. Okay. It could have also been in there sideways, or obviously the other direction. So that was really lucky. Got it first try. Okay, cool. So, first thing I'm going to do is try and unscrew this. Okay. A little bit of motion here, but okay. Now, remember the top couldn't turn before, so I thought maybe, it's not helpful. Okay. Let's try. Oh, that's stuck. This is interesting. Okay. So, that's interesting to me, that it has that much motion on a track, and that one of them seems to go when I push it in. When I pull it back, it gets stuck there. So that tells me that there's probably 2 separate tracks that it's going on, and that might be important, but right now it doesn't matter because it seems like that's as far as it goes. And that one goes a little farther, but it's still kind of as far as it goes. Wait. Maybe not. That's pushing on the bottom. Huh. Interesting. Okay, so I'm definitely going to try some movement here. Let's try that one with both tracks. Nope. Which track was that? I forget whether I pushed it in or pulled it out. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. Okay, that just got stuck. Okay. Oh. Okay, the middle section turns now separately. That didn't do that before. So let's try that. So there's several combinations that we can do, I guess. Okay, I can see a piece moving past there. See, that's got like a white line on it, it looks like. So now I've gone past the center, and it seems to get stuck there. Okay. I'll try the one where you pull it out and then screw it in and see if that... Oh, that one's definitely pushing on the bottom. Oh, look at that. Alright, looks like we solved it. Oh, that came out, that end. Very cool. We get a message for solving it. It says, keep looking. Oh, more puzzle awaits. Okay, I guess we didn't solve it. So I imagine, because we did see that before, that this piece moved, that there's somehow going to be a way to maybe slide this through and punch the top off. So let's try. Try turning. Huh, that's interesting. So, oh, okay. So remember we saw those 3 lines before. So when this one, the full piece is lined up with that, it's actually a smaller section. So it has to be lined up. Whoa, that was weird. Because the middle piece moves. So the middle piece, that's the smaller section. Okay. So the middle piece has to be lined up with that for me to get this back through. I assume I'm going to push this back through and pop this end off. So let's turn this. Can't turn. Oh, well, I can't turn the top piece, but I can turn the bottom. So I'll turn the bottom around. And then lined up on that little section, I'll line up on the big section there. And then hopefully this will go through, and I'll just push it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just pushed it. Oh, okay. Wow, here we go. We got the coin, and we got the solved. Okay. Very cool. Alright, I'm going to put the coin back in. I'm going to keep the solved out, because that's, I think, looks to me like it fit perfectly there. Let's put this back in case the next person solves it. Okay. So I think there, I'm going to want that that direction. This will go in here, right? And then, then now I think at this point I'm going to line up all of the things again. Put that down to there. Go. Hide the pin. Put the pin back in, and solved. I wonder if that goes. Boom. So surprisingly, the stand didn't have anything to do with it, except that now I can display this. That is so cool. You know what I love about this is most puzzles, like once you've solved them, you sit them on the thing and people come by and they're like, oh, do you actually know how to solve them? And I'm like, yeah, I do. This one here, I actually solved it, and it says solved right on it. And it stays in there really, really nicely. That's cool. Noticing how well this case fits onto there. All right. Very nice. I really like this puzzle. This is fun. All right, cool. So I highly recommend this one, the Barrel Cooper's Puzzle Box. It looks really cool. I love that it has this at the end. The pieces work really well together. Has a lot of aspects to it. It's got the magnet drop. It's got the double thread on that makes it challenging to find. Like 3 moving cylinders you have to line up properly. 2 parts that you have to solve, not just one. I thought I had it solved, and then I got that scroll. So, I mean, the little details like that just really, I love it. I highly recommend this one. I would grab this one. I think I'm going to keep this one. This is one that's going to stay on my shelf. Some of them go into storage afterwards. This is definitely one that's going to stay on my shelf. Fun. All right, cool. Hope that video was fun for you. Have a wonderful day.